chemical. We should be more concerned because they say a baby a year in New Year. Say John baby 5-10 years ago. Now and it becomes an issue. Your bedroom time, due to your activity, your human activity. And ya no more ye cry Timmy. Now I never flooded because say obi ye na yanhwe anso ano a na ye jaya na ade ni sisi kwa afi ukra na maybe sebi o sit down wo baby a wo hu ni say ahade ye safe area no na onso no obey affected e jo o hwe nra nkran de na obi ka trem say Accra say nipa 10 ejina faako ejunso at the same time o be flood ozo mu jina o no mu junso at the same time because of your poor drainage system. Say John we enra no amount forecast be say o and through no fault of theirs obi o nsuo be ko ni engine ujina wa udi traffic ma ube hu ano ho ina flood na akọ ma the loss kese bia bro nti menim de be kan fa ho biom ya kan and we know the solutions say afei na ye ko tena baabi ana ye be ko hu school ana ye ko pe solution no baabi o say John we know the solutions but we are just failing to apply idea o say ye emasa idea we etuotwa because ye bet me say yensi anu kwan fancy 100%. Say John we can do better at least 80-90%. Ye bet me ayama abafom na 10 no and there we try and manage it sir but say ye ja na kwan ade no kwan na ekọ nanima ya kan ye nim de be kan biom enti we will continue to wait. I don't say nsuo beto a you can easily predict so ade chia ye beti we and you can easily predict some of the areas onim say nsuo to ho be flood enti wo nkan ni kumase na achimota mo cycle say o drive wo ho say John na weather ni sesape the over and say fast you move outside sa location who say if you na obeko say baby na obeko na wa fast because nsuo ni shas acha 30 minutes one hour oh ina be flood enti say John
quick one Mr. You see amemo a continuous process
how dem are you ma
say John manin kasa na ye memewie
okay
amemo ayebu a continuous process abambe sanso akọ. And you see, the chapter 7 of the Constitution, the directive principles of state policy. I can declare, say, a baby started BB. No one will not buy for bar. And yes, be a optional, and share at the mass arbino. But at what point, and how many times, and who say, I buy for fro, our basu, I buy that danejuma, do. So when we start blaming some people, I will always blame political heads. Politics, it is not far from what we are doing. Why not if I not move for? In fact, don't wanna cry a woman now. Yes, like a young farm running fine Juman. One
but not more the enemy to but Sadia with the AC. And you're not move for their course.
No, I'm not saying I'm not saying that move for their course say flood the NCC.
Yes.
But they have also contributed to it because it drew awkward district to be a not money ho.
You're not more.
Okwa district hold no moje friend is a permit na so for now. They are also part of the processes.
Permit assembly even though they are part of the Nadmo rep the special planning committee also. You were rep EPA were rep also. Forest for rep EPA for rep and you were works department engineers assembly members nananom ahemfo rep also
I get it
enti
I get it
permit process
I get
no
it
because say so because one year permit abra we project na ya hwe na ma na ye project no ya dey one bebre
exactly the point It's obekoko wi actually no. You have all these people lined up at assembly. Ye ma kwan say Saturday we betwe no ha. And these are supposed experts. Nim dear e won your mo ye dia show mo nsanim. Enti me kokwetena ho mo koka say oh because of Saturday went. But who influences the most decisions? It's not the politician, the political heads.
Yes.
Or kasa trichile twa be ya de we ya. Obua obeye. Obeye because or no na what that way no person or ya that so onye.
And there are some experts who also proposing say sa committee na ye ka ho asem no. Omo also mo hwe ye adwuma. Sa political heads na ye mo e chair committees no. E also ye omo free so. In this situation, the DCs and the MCs are omo ye chair of that committee. Political head na ye chair.
There are places where a more technical. You will be more technical. But then now political gains in the party boy back question no onim that technical know-how. No. It is just because was some party in the question no yejuma. Now because the end result will be very funny. End result na benyano. Any result I will expect. But then I'm saying the party boy question munti. And then baby one will say, look. Ya say Ghana sika o de just Google. Obi a wote bi Google say how much money and they are spending to curb flood and I say be for reduce this flooding situations. Billions of cedis. Yet we are still not seeing any results.
Okay.
It is a baby ba that's a baby or ye bibi that's why we are. Look, except otherwise you say ye nimra okrubu had mo say. But of course, right. That is why in my earlier submission I said, say, let us separate common sense from politics.
Okay.
Because you saw any man this any man PP, but any ekofo or more mubre ya na so man your money ya boma kwan mas anyama we see.
Of course. All right. Me that say. Na yenko Evans, quick one. Na yenko